Hello guys, almost ready for the streaming. Ta-da! Finally, I received my camera for live streaming. But why you want a camera for live streaming and why you are speaking about it here on the channel? I want the camera for live streaming because in this way I can interact more with you. So please let me know already down in the comment what kind of recipe you want to make with me on the live streaming, because usually my recipe are a little bit long, like the cold cuts, the beer, the wine, but maybe we can do pasta together, we can do cakes, stuff like that, something that we can make in maybe 1 hour and 30. So when I saw that Hollyland was releasing this camera that is called VenusLiv Air, I want to tell properly, I brought to them, please, because I like this company. I'm already using the microphone. It's very useful when I do a video, for example, with Uomo di Casa, because I have two microphones and they are working together very well. So sometimes I check if the company released something new. And when I saw this, I want it for at least 3 reasons that I will show you later. So when you receive the camera, in the box you receive the cable to connect to the computer, because many people that do live streaming, they use a software, so they can use different camera and so on. But I will not use it because with this camera you can connect the camera to the Wi-Fi and you can do the live streaming directly. So this was also one reason. Plus in the box you find the cable, because it's without battery. You need to be unplugged because it's no camera to go around but to do live streaming. So usually the live streaming is inside a room. And plus this connector that help you if some cable could not be straight. That's it. So if you come closer, I show you at least 3 reasons why I asked them to send this camera. The first reason is the length. Like you can read 7mm f1.05. I'm not an expert, so I cannot explain it, but I know that when the number is so small, means that you can do a great video. Also, if the light is not so good. So with my phone, I need always a lot of light. Sometimes the light is too much, sometimes it's too dark. So with this camera should be easier. Plus the sensor is 50 megapixel and you can record the video cinematic 4K. So will be perfect for our recipes. Plus it's easy to connect my microphone, and they are the same company, so they are working perfectly together. The other very important things, you can stream in directly from the camera without using computer, phone, so you can use them for other stuff. For example, when I'm doing the streaming, I can watch myself in the computer and will be easy for me to read your comments. Plus, what's happened when you are recording with a phone? The phone become very hot and the battery drop super fast until your phone died and you cannot record, you cannot do your streaming because you lost the battery. With this camera, you plug in and here there is a ventilation, so you can use it 24 hours for 7 days, like they say, so you can use until you don't get tired. So now I will plug it and I will show you that you can streaming directly without any problem. So you start your streaming, and when you finish, you close the streaming. Super easy. I forgot to say that another thing is, because making some research online, I saw a guy that he attached a battery, and with a card, because there is the slot here for SD, you can use as normal camera. So let's see if I will switch from my phone to this camera also when I will do normal videos. Like this also, if you pull the cable, you cannot lose the streaming. But maybe the camera follow you lost the camera, so be careful. So now we switch on. You can see here I prepare already for the streaming. YouTube, I put all the information. But let's see. I'll show you. I need still to learn. No, it's not this one. Like this one. Okay. Let's use it as a webcam only to see if it's working. So now I turn it like this, and voila. Can you see me in the screen? Hello guys. So now I will put my phone and the camera close each other, and we will check if with low light work better the phone or the camera. I can see already from the screen that the video with the camera from Hollyland is more bright than the one with the phone. So big lens make a big difference. So let's try also the focus. That for me is very important, because when I speak always I move my hands, so could be a problem. If you want, you can find the link of the camera in the description of the video, so you can check all the other information. You know that about the technology I am not so good, so it's better if you read by yourself. Plus guys, let me know down in the comment what kind of recipe you want create with me when I will start the live streaming. Please let me know. And probably also it's very important the time that you want to watch the video, so the streaming. So you need to write the time and also your country, because now that I am in Thailand it's more complicated. This is why also I asked to this company to send me the camera. They can send me in Italy, but I was moving to Thailand, so the camera will not arrive in time, so they can bring with me. So they need to send me in Thailand. Everything was more complicated. I'm speaking a lot to test the camera, but I can see that also the white, the balance of the white from the light is better on the camera. Bye bye. Super strange to see me into small screen. Bye.